So, welcome, beautiful people, future me. I'm doing this for you. And um, welcome to my programming workout where I'm trying to improve in the programming. And my method of madness is to split it into section rounds. And each round consists of 5 minutes of training some secondary. Uh, Thank you for the follow, Thinkalum. Of a secondary feature of a developer. Lately, it is a typing exercise for me, and 25 minutes of programming or creating some project, going from tutorial, and now we are doing Angular. I wrote a little tiny application which tracks my progress in a typing. So this is the error rate. This is the word per minutes which I perform, which I do, and you can see that I'm improving, which was the main reason for me to create this application at all. To see that I'm actually progressing. For the typing, I use this site, which is called Typing.io. I really like it because it makes you type all the programming like characters. And well, now we know what's ahead of us, so let's get into it. Oh, really? That's cool. That's pretty cool. And how do you like it? If we are talking about it, well, you use it every day, so I guess you are satisfied with it. Yeah, that's good about it. I also like it. I switch between all of those. I just go, but you probably know. I start with one, finish the one, go to another one. You have seen me programs from start to finish on a syntax course. What do you mean? I misread it. Okay, cool. As your typing speed and accuracy improves from the time you start the syntax to the end of your code. Yes, yes, it did, and I can tell you right away how. So I have, well, so we will record this thingy first of all. So that was 4% and 35 VPM. And it is like my all-time average is 7% the error rate. For the last 7 days, it's 5.91, and this is for the last 3 days. So you can see the tendency to go down, and the words per minute also increases. The all-time VPM is 35, then it's 37, and it goes up, right? This is average, all of it. So it's not really the best comparison. I will probably rewrite how the output looks, but we can have a look into the data itself, and that will be in here. And I save it to, and you're focused on speed accuracy, or you're working through it. Imagine that you can sacrifice one. Well, yeah. I believe the main thing, at least for me, is the accuracy. So I try to focus on accuracy, like to decrease the that thing. Also, like even the comparison of the uh, that notice that personal best is 0% error rate, and it's not the fastest one, like, so I do compare the words per minute, but only after I do comparison according to the error rate. So that's how I compare it. Yeah, so, but saying that, it happens to me when I'm on round like 11, 8 or something, or I'm just impatient, I just type fast, and yeah, but yeah, that happens. And we can have a look at the data, and look, like here is like I had a like error rate 12, 8, 9, 5, 8, 13, 13, 10, 3, 6, 10, 14. Like you see me to go above like 10 kind of often. Here it was like all above 10, and then as I progress, then you can see that the error rate is lower and lower. Here I had like some really good days, and also, yeah, and you can also tell that I started with the VPM around 30, 30, 37, 25, 14, whatever, 35, and now it goes up, like it's 39, 40, 38, 38, 37, 40, 38, 38, 37. Yeah, so there is improvement. There is definitely improvement. And that was one of the points that I actually wanted to build this application. So I kind of see if I progress, and how much, because dude, sometimes it feels like you're spinning your wheels and you're not going anywhere, right? Yeah. You can download this application if you want to use it as well. I mean, it's stupid simple, but like I think I put it on the GitHub, so you can use it if you want to. It's really nothing special, but yeah. So we'll pum pum pum. GitHub. Here it is. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is. It should be public. It should be public, I think. Oh, you're very welcome. if that will be useful even to you, it makes me happy. You know, like, I wrote it for myself, so, and I will probably add some features. You know, maybe, maybe not. Like, I'm not promising anything. You know, like, depends on my mood. And yeah, this is. Yeah, and if you like have some ideas about some features, just let me know. You know, yeah, let me know. At the same time, I don't promise that I will implement them. You know, but it will be nice to have a like some input. And we are going back to the Angular starter timer. Okay. Also, I don't promise that I will like yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'll, because I use it as a like teaching myself programming as well. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if that day comes. We will see. So, oh yeah, so I'll unpause the timer, and what do we have? So in the hero search component, we have the label hero search, and yeah, the input is this. Why is this hashtag here? Oh, that one is for. That was something for the Angular. So far we have this in here. That's good. Now we will create the input. Yep, type. Do we have a type in there? No, we don't use that. Okay, cool. But we have the hashtag search box. Then we have an ID equal to, and now if we type the search box, this should go green, not red. Yep, here we go. And there was a what? Oh, input. I don't know this binding. Search box value. Oh, okay. So on our input, we call method search, and we put in search box, which we marked this input as, and take the value inside of it. Ah, okay. Good. Input search, and we say search box. You see it appears, even IntelliJ knows about it. Dot value. Here we go. And it will be self-closing tag. Now it is a red because the search method is not implemented yet, which is okay. We will implement it later. UL class search result. So unordered list. Class which is styling. Class search result. Okay, it's just something we will add later, I suppose. And then we have Heroes of Heroes, and there's a pipe async. He will tell us something about it too, I suppose. So li star ng4, that will be let hero of heroes, I suppose. Why is this dollar in here? Huh? Why is this dollar in here? Well, what's he doing there, huh? Heroes. Okay, so I'll put it in there, but I have no idea what it does in there. So, and we will pipe it to async. That one we can have a look in. Where did it take us? Okay, I don't like that. Go back. So, hero of heroes, which we will have in a scope of the component, I suppose. Async, and then we have detail here. Ah, the rotor link. I see. Okay. Change inside tag, enter, and here will be the anchor tag. And ref. Oh, do we want no? This will be a rotor link. Rotor link, and we will have a hero detail. It was slash hero detail slash hero.id. Maybe is this how it goes? Just detail. Okay. Detail hero.id. Oh, I see. This is not the interpolation. Here we go. Now it knows. So hero.id. Yeah. And inside of there will be hero.name. So hero.name visible. Okay, cool. So now we have a few things in there which are not defined. First is the search, and the second one is the heroes. Okay, so what the tutorial says about it. Add private CSS styles to hero search component. It's listed in the final code. Okay, so we will just copy that. Hero search component is somewhere at the bottom. And dashboard, heroes component, hero search. Sun climbs the bed like a little monkey. I hope they won't. Climbing is good. Climbing is good. I'm sure he will be fine, and he will fall. You know, that's like I did fall so many times. Look at me. I'm completely normal. Hero detail component. Oh, here it is. Hero search. And we will steal this. Hero search CSS. Paste. Okay, go back. And pum, pum. Search by name. Here it is. Wow, there's 11 people, so much people in here. Hello, everybody. Hope you have a nice, well, whatever you have, time zone. Yeah, this is what we did. We did add the CSS style, and oh, now it should blow up. Okay. Yeah, because we don't have the search, we don't have the property, of course. As the user types in search box and input, no, nothing happens right now. Calls the search. Okay, so as user types in search box and input event binding calls the component search. This is on input calls search method with the new search box value. Yeah, but that doesn't bang. Yeah, the async pipe, that I'm interested in. The ng4 repeats hero object, yes, that we already know. I noticed that ng4 iterates over a list called heroes $. Yeah, I noticed the $. What the hell is that? Not heroes. Yep, the $. Is a convention that indicates heroes $. Is an observable, not an array. Okay, so dollars are observables, but that is just naming convention. So it doesn't mean it is it, but kind of indicates it could be. Because someone could be dick and just put dollars all over the place and just confuse you. Okay, so we have the pipe, which means you have this and stamp it in there. Got to go. They will destroy the entire house. Yeah, make some pictures. if they if they will. Thank you for coming by, Invisible, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Since ng4 can do anything with an observable, use the pipe character. Followed by async. Okay, so okay. This identifies a regular async pipe and subscribes to an observable automatic. Oh, so that make subscribe for each of the so you won't have to do so in the component class. Interesting. So normally I would do the subscribe and then I would have it wasn't put, it was, what was it? We were doing it everywhere, so we do pipe, and in pipe we can do multiple things. So we will have a function with a callback that will be the put, right? That will be the tab that will log, and then in that we can also like save it to some local variable, and then that variable could be displayed somewhere. So if we have a get, okay, so this returns the observable. It's not here and I don't want to search it, so we'll go back here and to the tutorial. Lazy, horrible. Since ng4 can do anything with an observable, use the pipe character followed by async. Yeah, so we read that. Edit hero search component class. Well, we are missing the search, right? And there's a more thing. There's a lot of replace the generated hero class with metadata as follows. Okay, so what we do have, we have a import component on init. Is it there already? Is it there? Component on init is there. Observable subject is not. Then import debounce time, testing until change, switch map from RxJS operators. I don't know what those do. Then this one I know, this is our type, and hero service is our service which we use for the API calls. So here's the annotation for the component class over here. And selector, template, and styles. I think it's already there. That's generated. Yep, that's here. And constructor. So we inject a hero service. That's understandable. And then the search. Search term takes string, outputs nothing. Oh, first of all, this heroes is the property I kind of skipped. So this is the on init. No, implements on init. It implements on it. It doesn't have it on init. What is happening in here? This is crazy. So hero search component implements on init. Tutorial, you have a lot of things to explain and you don't. Hello tutorial. What the hell is this? How do you explain yourself, tutorial? Oh well, so this is heroes, and it is a type of observable, and this is the convention of name. You know, like you kind of indicate it is not heroes array, it is a observable of heroes array. And it is a single observable of array, not array of observables. Okay. And then we have search terms, which, okay, subject. What the hell is that? String that I recognize. So it is a subject of type of string with the generics string specification. Okay. Here's injection. That one we understand. We already know what it does. And we, on a search, we take the term and shove it into search terms. Search terms, next term, next. Well, it's called next method on search terms. ng on init. Okay, so why do you implement the ng on? Everything implements? Hold on. Some other component, this one, and oh, it implements on init too. Huh. Okay. So maybe if I implement that, I'm bound to implement this, I guess. I can go here and look. So there's an interface on init. And it has a, yeah. Callback method that invoked immediately after the default change detector has checked the directive's data bound properties for the first time and before any of the view or content children have been checked. It is invoked only once when the directive is instantiated. The directive. Okay. So that means the directive, that's the tag, right, in the view. And if we implement this interface, we have this ng-on-init function, which the Angular does everything what is in here, but only on instantiation of the directive. All right. So what is this? So ng-on-init returns nothing, of course. This, well, we will have a look into this later, hopefully. These heroes, and this is okay. So this heroes, and we will assign it to this search terms, which was the, what was it? Where is it? Subject pipe. So that returns promise, or like what the hell? I don't know what it is. Pipe debounce time. Wait 300 milliseconds after each keystroke before considering the term. Okay. Ignore new term if it's same as the previous. Distinct until change. And switch to a new search observable each time the term changes. Switch map takes term and it calls. Okay, so this is like when this is like callback thingy, right? If it's like different, you do this shit. You take the, so the switch map supposedly like puts a string inside of it. We will catch it. We call it term. It's term now. And we shove it into search heroes. Yeah. Okay. So hero search component. Oh, it was there. Hero search component. And I guess we will delete all of those. Then I will copy this and paste it. This is how you program. I wanted to know what the subject is. This. And it is, subject is a special type of observable that allows values to be multicasted to many observers. Okay. What is multicasted and what is observer? Okay, maybe I'm going too deep, like for my first go through this tutorial. Yeah, let's just forget about it right now. And the next was also I was interested in. Next, well, you make some more tea. I forgot where the food's supposed to be here. Next, what is it? It doesn't return anything. It either throws error or service slice, and it copies to, what the hell? Okay, I don't know what this does. push and search term into observable stream. Okay. The search terms RxJS subject. Okay, so here's some explanation, which is nice. This is what we have right here. I'm just looking at it. I'm totally confused. So let's explain. Search terms property is an RxJS subject. Staring into abyss. Okay, so good. This guy over here says that we are done with this round. Done is better than perfect. And we can proceed to the round number 5.